How to request Uber ride for someone else. In order to request your Uber ride for someone else, simply launch the Uber application and from here tap on the Enter Pickup Location tab. Normally this would be if you're booking a ride for yourself. So from the top you can see the option called For Me. All you have to do is tap on this For Me option and add a new contact from the bottom. This will be the contact to whom you want to book or request a ride for. So add that contact from your contact list. Now go about booking a ride. When the ride is booked, that person whom you added as a contact will receive a call if their phone number is active, and once they receive the call, they'll be able to get their ride in check, and you can track the ride right from the application as well. This way, you can request a ride for someone on Uber. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.